A lot of the repairs that I've done on push mowers are really the direct result of improperly putting them into a trunk. Let me show you what I mean by that. A loose handle that you can't ever tighten up, or a brake cable that won't operate properly. That's because the handle has been folded wrong. Let me show you the proper way to do it. Loosen these handles quite a bit. Okay? I like to leave them on so they can't get lost. But I also have it so loose that the handle will easily fold without bending this cupped section here. And if you do have it, because if it's too tight, that cup section is going to flare out. And I have a video in the archive on how to straighten or tighten a loose handle. Take a look at that. You use a ball peen hammer. And it's right here when you start to fold it that if you don't bring this cable out like that, if you leave it where it can get caught in between here as we bend it, you're going to get a pinch there, and you're going to have to replace that cable eventually. And that's an expensive fix right there. So just bend it over like that, and then bring these in, and now you can load it into the car. Now, remember when you're doing the opposite and you're pulling the handle back up, let me show you. You have to release this brake mechanism so that this pull cord can be loose. And then just fold that back in, and then watch your cord again, just like so, and then tighten it up. And you won't have those problems that everybody else has. I'll catch you on the next one.